to try one more time using touch points. So we circle our biggest number, and we're going to point to it, and we're going to count on from 4. You guys, please pay attention. So we've got 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Please make sure you have that written down. Then we can go over here and we can check our dinosaurs to make sure there are 7. Okay. Go over to our 2 plus 5. Our 2 plus 5, what number are we going to circle? The 5. And since we're adding, boys and girls, we're going to count on. We're going to count up. We're going to count up from 5. So, we're going to touch our 5 and we're going to say 5, then count on 5. Good, let's try it again. 5, 5, 6, 7. Good. So then we're going to write a 7 here because 5. Then our 2 touch points make it 7. Okay, the next one we're going to do is at the bottom is 1 plus 6. So which number are we going to circle? 6 because it is the biggest. So we circle the 6 because it's the largest number. And we're only going to have to count the 1 touch point because there's only 1 touch point on 1. But we have to count on from what number? 6. So we're going to say 6, and then what comes after 6? 7. So let's do it again. 6, 7. 6, 7. Please make sure you're doing that. We are not using our fingers on touch point. We are using touch point on touch point. I see some people around the room do not have that answer written down. Let's go over here to 2 plus 7. What number are we going to circle? We're going to circle the 7. Okay, we circle the 7. We count on from 7. Let's try that together. So 7, 8, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, because we count on. Good. Does everyone have that? What are you looking for? What was on your desk this morning? Look a little harder for it. Flip your paper over. Now we've got a subtraction sign. Whenever we are subtracting, we are going to have to count down from the biggest number because we are taking away numbers. So we are still circling the biggest number, but we're counting down. We're counting backwards from that number. Elijah, you've got to pay attention. We are not using our fingers on touch point. Not part of touch point. You are not allowed to use your fingers on touch point because we are learning how to do it a different way. Okay? So, what's the biggest number in 6 minus 0? 6. So we're going to circle the 6. And we're going to count down from 6. Do we need to count down anything? No, because 0 has no touch point, so we do not count down anything. So 6 minus 0 is 6. You should know that. But you should know that. There are 6 smiling faces, and we do not take any smiling faces away. Okay. Go over here to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, what number are we going to circle? Thank you, Shelby. What number are we going to circle in 5 minus 2, boys and girls? 5, because it's the biggest number. Now, when we subtract, we have to count backwards. We're counting down. So, what comes before 5? 4. Here we go. 3 because we counted 5, 4, 3. We counted backwards from 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Since we took away 2, how many moons do we have to take away? 2. We took away 2, so we have to take away 2 moons. Does that make our answer the right answer? Yes, it does. We're going to go down to number, this one, 3 minus 3. Is there a biggest number? There is. Is 6 on here? No. So what's the biggest number? They're both the biggest number, so you can circle either one. I would circle the top one, though. So circle 3. Circle the top number, please. Okay, so we have to count backwards from 3. So we're going to start at 3 and count down. So touch the 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. You can check your answer by taking 3 stars away. We got 3 and we took away 3. We've got no stars left. Make sure your answer is at the bottom of this page too, please. Last one. We've got 4 minus 1. What number are we going to circle here? 4, and we're going to come backwards from 4. So we touch the 4 and say 4. Then, no, count backwards from 4. 4, 3. Backwards from 3 is... Yeah, 4 minus 1 is 3. Because we count backwards, we touch the 4, and then we count backwards 3. I'm going to tell you one more time to please do this. You do not circle the 4. Guys, you have to circle the number so you can know which one to count backwards from. You always start from the biggest number. You have to, especially when you're subtracting, you have to start from the biggest number. You have to. There is no other way to do it. Well, honey, if I'm taking, you can't take 2 away from 5. Or you can't take 5 away from 2. If I have 2, can I subtract 5? No, it'd be negative. So you have to start with the 5 because I can't take 2 from 5 because I just take 1, 2 away. But if I have 2, can I take 5 away? Because I don't have enough fingers. Can't take 5 away from this. No, it wouldn't because I can't take 5 away from here. I only have 2 fingers. I only have 2 fingers here. How can I take 5 away? I'd only be able to take 1, 2 away. You have to start with the biggest number whenever you're doing subtraction. Okay? I want you guys to put those in your home folders.